Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to do a split screen transition in CapCut PC. And for us to be able to proceed on to this, the first thing that we need to do is to add in the videos or clips that we want to use. So you could click on to import in here to go ahead and browse onto your different files, or you could simply drag and drop a video in here, or you could browse onto CapCut's library that offers free video footages. So you'll just need to choose the video that you want to use and then add it onto the timeline. So as you can see, you have the specific videos in here. Let's choose that one out and this one as well. Now, once you have successfully added both of the clips, the next thing that you could do in here, we're gonna add the transition for that. So for this one, we'll not use the normal transition that we have in here. We're gonna go ahead and use the mask option. So we're gonna click onto the first clip that we have in here, click onto the mask in here, and then choose in the horizontal. So we're gonna go ahead and make this one twist just like that. It has gone ahead and open another frame. So we're gonna make this onto the upper part corner of the screen, and you could see a little glimpse of the video onto the background. So we're gonna make this one just like that. And then right after, what we need to do is we're gonna head here onto the position part, click onto this keyframe in here, and we're gonna keep that one moving while the other clip is moving as well. So we're just gonna be moving this just like that. And we're gonna add in another keyframe in here. Or you could just simply drag this and it will automatically add in a keyframe. So we're just going to go ahead and follow that one out just like that. And you could make this per second so that it should be really seamless transition. Then we're going to trim this one or delete the right for this so that it should end where the video should be ending. Then we're going to remove it up until there. And it should look something like this. So before we do a quick preview, we'll adjust the feather as well so that it should look something like this, or it will be seamlessly connected just like that. So if you go ahead and do a quick preview, this is how it should look like. As you can see, the other video is playing onto the background and the video that we have in here is also playing. That is just basically it onto how to do a split screen transition in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.